From the lush tropical rainforest to your very own backyard, the banana plant, in all its verdant glory, holds a special place in the heart of nature. The sight of its broad emerald leaves unfurling in the warm sun, the promise of its burgeoning fruit, is enough to inspire even the most reluctant gardener. And who can resist the sweet reward of a sun-ripened banana, plucked fresh from the plant? Today we embark on a journey to discover the remarkable diversity of banana varieties, each with its own unique character and appeal, perfectly suited for transforming your garden into a haven of exotic bounty. Our exploration begins with a familiar friend, the Dwarf Cavendish. This particular variety has earned its place as a favorite amongst those who tend their gardens with care and affection. Standing at a modest 6 to 8 feet, a mere fraction of its towering cousins in the wild, the Dwarf Cavendish is a testament to nature's adaptability. Its compact form belies the bounty it produces, clusters of those classic sweet bananas we all know and love. Picture this: a sunny corner of your patio, adorned with the vibrant green foliage of a Dwarf Cavendish, its fruit ripening to a perfect golden hue. It's a sight to behold, and with a little care and attention, a good drenching of water now and then, and plenty of sunshine, you can recreate this tropical paradise in your own backyard. Next, we turn our attention to the ladyfinger, a banana variety as elegant and refined as its name suggests. Also known as the sugar banana, this diminutive delight offers a burst of sweetness in every bite. Imagine, if you will, the delicate fingers of a ladyfinger banana bunch, their golden skin practically glowing with the promise of sugary goodness. Children in particular are quite taken with these smaller, more manageable bananas, perfect for little hands and even smaller tummies. And while the ladyfinger may not reach the towering heights of some of its brethren, topping out at a respectable 10 feet, it possesses a resilience that belies its delicate appearance. It can withstand the occasional fluctuation in temperature, a testament to its adaptability. Chapter 3: The Blue Java and Icy Enigma. Prepare to be captivated, dear viewers, by the ethereal beauty of the Blue Java banana. This variety, often referred to as the ice cream banana, is an enigma wrapped in a silvery blue peel. Imagine, if you will, the unripe fruit, its skin a pale, almost otherworldly blue, hinting at the frozen treat that awaits within. And what a treat it is! The ripe blue Java offers a flavor and texture so closely resembling vanilla ice cream that it's hard to believe it grew on a tree. Now, this particular variety does require a bit more space to stretch its limbs, reaching heights of up to 15 feet, but for those blessed with ample garden space, or perhaps a large container, the Blue Java is well worth the effort. And here's a bonus: it's relatively cold-hardy compared to its tropical cousins, making it a suitable choice for those living in slightly cooler climates. Chapter 4: The Red Banana, a Splash of Color. For the adventurous gardener seeking a touch of the exotic, look no further than the red banana. This striking variety is a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Imagine, if you will, the deep, rich hues of the red banana, its skin a vibrant tapestry of reds and purples, a stark contrast to the more common yellow varieties. And just as its appearance is unique, so too is its flavor, a delightful blend of sweetness with a subtle hint of raspberry. But the red banana's allure extends beyond its fruit. Its foliage, too, is a sight to behold, adding a touch of the tropics to any garden. Now, this particular variety does crave warmth and humidity, so those residing in cooler regions may need to provide a bit of extra care, perhaps a greenhouse or a sunny spot indoors. Chapter 5: The Manzano, a Tangy Twist. Our final stop on this banana bonanza brings us to the Manzano, a variety that's as full of surprises as it is of flavor. Also known as the apple banana, the Manzano is a testament to nature's ability to delight and astound. Imagine biting into one of these small but mighty fruits, its aroma hinting at banana, but its flavor delivering a delightful tangy twist, reminiscent of a crisp apple. It's a taste sensation that will have you questioning everything you thought you knew about bananas. Now, the Manzano, much like a sunbather seeking the perfect ray, thrives in warm temperatures, particularly in those balmy regions known as USDA zones 9 to 11. But fret not, dear viewers, for those in cooler climates can still experience the joy of the Manzano by growing it in a pot and bringing it indoors during the colder months. It's a small price to pay for such a unique and rewarding fruit. And so, our journey through the fascinating world of banana varieties comes to an end. We've encountered giants and dwarfs, the familiar and the exotic, each with its own unique charm and appeal. From the classic sweetness of the Dwarf Cavendish to the icy surprise of the Blue Java, from the vibrant hues of the red banana to the tangy twist of the manzano, there's a banana out there for every taste in every garden. So tell me, dear viewers, which of these botanical wonders has captured your imagination?